Okay, the mezzanine is open. At least I hope it is. Oh crap, it's not. There's a butcher at the farm shops. Oh wow, this is nice. And there's music in here. This is a nice elevator. I wonder if this replaced an HT, it might have. Wow, this is really nice. Takes a little too long to start. And I'll end on 2. This is a really nice elevator. It's got that one, it got that weird Schindler phone. That's actually really weird, and I gotta continue talking over because I don't want to get a copyright. This video demonetized, and that's it.